Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is video part 3rd for cursive writing tutorial. Here we will see how to write words in cursive writing. Before already I have explained how to write capital letters and the small letters in cursive writing. So going ahead in this video, we will see formation of word using cursive writing. So starting with first two words, we will start like M, on, N, starting with three letters. As we all know, the first letter or the first alphabet will be capital if we are writing in verse. Suppose in sentences, the first alphabet will be capital, the everything will be stored. Here we are only writing verse, thus I am keeping first alphabet as a capital letter. Now coming to three alphabet words, the, our, why. Coming with four letters word, mine, they, them. Now friends, we will go ahead and write a sentence so that you can understand how the sentence will look like in a cursive writing. So Ram, it's a mango. So this is how, if you will write a sentence, it will look in cursive writing. So hope friends this video is clear to you. If you have any doubt or any confusion, you can ask me in the comment box below. Also, if you like this video, please like, click on the like button below. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot.